Welcome to the organic chemistry lecture series. Today in this video we are going to study about this Diels-Alder cycloaddition reaction. This reaction was discovered by the scientist Diels and Alder. That's why the reaction is called as Diels-Alder reaction. It is a cycloaddition reaction between a conjugated dienes and an unsaturated uh, dienophile. Okay, so what is Diels-Alder reaction? It is just a reaction between diene and dienophile, we can say. The reaction between diene and dienophile to give a cyclic adduct, and the reaction is called as Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, now what is diene? That we will see first. Diene means a conjugated compound having alternate single and double bonds. Say for example, this compound, this is known as 1,3 butadiene. Okay, so I think you know about this dienes. Diene means di for two, in for double bonds. So two double bonds are there which are in conjugation. So this is 1,3 butadiene, and dienophile is nothing but unsaturated compounds, say like this. Okay, and there is a reaction between this diene and dienophile. See, diene is electron rich species and this dienophile is electron deficient species. Okay, so this bond will attack here, this bond will attack here, and this bond will shift here, and there is a formation of this cyclic product, which is a product of this Diels-Alder cycloaddition reaction. Okay, so this is 1,3 butadiene, so this is diene and this is dienophile. Now you see here, two double bond means 4 pi electrons are there, and here one double bond means 2 pi electrons are there. So this reaction is also called as 4 plus 2 pi electron cycloaddition reaction. So 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. Okay, so Diels-Alder reaction is 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. Another thing which you have to remember is that the reaction is a thermal reaction. Okay, so heating conditions are required. This is thermal reaction. Okay, so this is in general about what is Diels-Alder cycloaddition reaction. The Diels-Alder cycloaddition reaction is the reaction between a conjugated dienes and an unsaturated dienophile. So dienes are electron rich species, dienophile are electron deficient species. They get added to form a cyclic adduct. The reaction is also known as 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition because this diene component is having 2 pi bond, that means 4 pi electrons, and this dienophile component has one double bond, that means 2 pi electrons. So ultimately the reaction is between these 4 pi electrons and 2 pi electrons, so it is also called as 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. Okay, the reaction is carried out in presence of heat, that's why we call this as a thermal reaction. Okay, another important thing we have to remember is that the non-polar cyclic transition state is involved in this reaction. Okay, so that we will see in the part mechanism of this reaction later on. Now you just remember that a Diels-Alder reaction is nothing but a reaction between diene and dienophile to give the cyclic adduct. Okay, now let's consider few more examples. Suppose again we will take a this 1,3 butadiene. If it is reacted with this uh, dienophile and there is a formation of in presence of heat, what will happen? The product will be like this. Okay, so how this product is obtained? This bond is shifted here, this bond gets shifted here, this bond gets shifted. Okay, so ultimately we get this product. Now there is a formation of transition state. See what kind of transition state is involved there. Okay, so see this, all these bonds are forming or either breaking, so I will represent them by a dot dot line CHO. So this kind of transition state is involved. You will observe that a cyclic transition state is there, and it is a non-polar transition state, okay, because there is no involvement of positive or negative ions in the transition state, and finally we get this product, cyclic product. So such type of mechanism where bond formation and bond breaking takes place simultaneously, bond formation and bond breaking, bond breaking takes place simultaneously, okay. If such kind of mechanism is there, then that mechanism is called as concerted mechanism, remember. And the class of organic chemistry is known as pericyclic chemistry. You remember this, pericyclic reactions or pericyclic chemistry. So this is one of the type of pericyclic reaction. The reaction is between this diene, this is a diene component we can say, and this is a dienophile. Now how the flow of electron is there, you see diene is an electron rich species. So first of all the flow of electron is from diene to dienophile, and then from dienophile to diene, like this, to form the cyclic adduct via a cyclic transition state which is a non-polar. So this is one of the example. We'll take another example. So now let's consider once again 2-methyl butadiene as a diene, and now instead of double bond we will use now alkyne as a dienophile. So this can be used as a dienophile for this reaction. So this is a thermal reaction, and it is 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. So the mechanism is same. First of all, this bond will shift here, this bond will shift here, and this bond will shift here. So there is a formation of this 6-membered cyclic ring. Here the double bond will remain as it is, because out of these 3 bond, 1 bond is utilized for the moment and other bond remains as it is. So this is the product of this reaction, okay. So we'll take another example. Again consider a butadiene plus, we'll consider this as a dienophile, okay. So there is a reaction in presence of heat. So again it is called as 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition. The same mechanism is there, okay. So there is a formation of this as a product, okay. So this is again the product of this cycloaddition reaction. So in summary, we have seen the reaction between a diene and dienophile to give a cyclic adduct, okay, in presence of heat, is called as Diels-Alder reaction. Remember, Diels-Alder reaction, okay. It is a cycloaddition reaction, okay. So cycloaddition of 4 pi electron system, that is diene, and 2 pi electron system, that is dienophile. So it is also called as 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. The reaction is a thermal reaction because it is carried out in presence of heat, thermal reaction, okay. And the reaction is also a stereospecific. Remember, stereospecific means a stereochemistry of diene and dienophile is maintained into the product, okay. So this is all about a Diels-Alder reaction. In the next video we will meet with another concept. So till then we will stop here. Have a nice day. Thank you.